With the world premiere of the ID code at Auto China 2024 in Beijing, Volkswagen is providing a first glimpse of a completely new SUV generation, a new design language for China, and a new technology generation. The concept car was developed specifically for Volkswagen customers in China. With the ID code, Volkswagen is interpreting SUV design in a completely new way and enriching it with fascinatingly superior dynamics in the age of electric mobility. With its powerful, clear, and fluid surfaces, the ID code comes across more like a Gran Turismo than a 5-meter class SUV. The exterior is also a projection surface for the next generation of AI-assisted lighting and display systems, intuitively usable interfaces for intelligent communication between man and machine. The newly designed living space on board the ID code fits perfectly into this picture. Here, the real and virtual worlds combine to create a new mobility experience.